How to remove note on Instagram. Instagram notes appear at the top of your direct messages, allowing you to share short text updates with your followers. If you want to remove a note, whether it's your own or someone else's, here are your options. First, open the Instagram app and tap on the messages icon at the top right. Here, you will see your note along with notes from others. If you want to remove your own note, tap on it. You will see an option to delete it. Tap Delete Note and it will be removed immediately. Once deleted, no one will be able to see or respond to it. If you want to stop seeing someone else's notes, you can mute them. To do this, tap and hold on their name in the Messages section. A menu will appear with an option to Mute Notes. Select this, and their notes will no longer show up for you. They can still post notes, but you won't see them in your messages. Keep in mind that Instagram does not currently allow you to disable the Notes feature entirely. Even if you mute specific people, the Notes section will still appear at the top of your messages, showing updates from others who are not muted. Since this is a relatively new feature, Instagram may add more options in the future. But for now, the only way to avoid notes completely is by not opening your messages. That's how to remove Note on Instagram.